people ask me a lot about, and something that I wasn't aware of that Sidar carried is that Sidar actually carries a really nice kids wallpaper range. So you have, I don't know if you have your own kids. I have my own kids who are like, I want a Spider-Man room, and I'm like, oh my God, shoot me now. I'm like, you're gonna outgrow it. Maybe next year he doesn't like Spider-Man. And I don't want like a giant Spider-Man. You want to have it in a more artistic way. You want to have it in a more subtle way. And what I love, I'm gonna let you guys go through this yourselves, but they have. Let me find it. Here it is. So my son, when he was younger, was obsessed with Mickey Mouse. And I was like, I would have this. So stripes is another trend that's taking place in 2023. Stripes are back, whether it's vertical or horizontal. Stripes are coming back in a big way. It doesn't have to be bold. It doesn't have to be high contrast. It can be in subtle ways too. And when I saw this, I was like, this is a great way to incorporate the stripe, even into like a kid's room. If you want to say, okay, I want to give my kid a trendy makeover. But they're like, no, I love Mickey. And you're like, oh my God, no, please don't. But I would, even though he's outgrown Mickey now, I'm like, I would still have this in like a study, kid-friendly area of the house. It's done in a really nice way. And then, I don't have girls. I wish I had daughters, but they have a frozen range that is so beautiful because it's not in your face frozen. It's like if a girl wanted to do, whether it's a client project, whether it's your own daughter, there's a beautiful range where you can incorporate this frozen mood, but she can live with this for the next 5, 6, 7 years. It's not Disney, it's not cartoony, it's not, over the top. And they have this range, so you can go super subtle. And then you have the ones that have the little bit of the character in a shadow form, the ice, and in whatever color kind of range that she would want to go. And I saw this and I was like, yes, if anyone asked me for this now, I would be like, I would love that. Look at this Disney princess range where it's like a watercolor kind of mural, or you could do it in the non-cartoon way. So this for me has been a great addition for Sidar to carry a kids range, because I feel like kids want this, parents don't want this, and it's like a really nice combination. Plus, it's real Marvel, it's real Disney. I'm looking at this for my son's room now because he's in like space mode. I'm like, I want to put this on the ceiling. Like, huge ceiling, we have very high floors, so I feel like I want to bring that ceiling down a little. It's a little bit, it's not cozy when the ceiling is too high. So I was like, I'd love to put that on the ceiling. It's Star Wars, he can grow into it for so long, but it's not too cartoon based. They can grow with it.